Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best patriotic face paint is probably one of the most fun and expressive ways to show your American pride. Whether you're gearing up for a 4th of July celebration, a Memorial Day tribute, or just want to show your colors at a sporting event, choosing the right face paint can make all the difference. In this video, we're diving deep into the world of patriotic face paint, exploring the best options to help you celebrate in style. Number 5. Neon Nights 2-in-1 Glow-in-the-Dark Acrylic Paint Set. This paint set glows in the dark and under UV blacklight. It offers a bright and long-lasting glow, perfect for various crafts. It's a 2-in-1 solution for your creative projects. The paint is visible both day and night, indoors or outdoors. It's ideal for Halloween decorations and other outdoor surfaces. You can use it anytime, anywhere. The set includes 8 super colorful 20 ml bottles. You'll have everything you need to create your masterpiece with many hues. It provides a wide range of colors for your art. This acrylic paint is suitable for everyone, kids and adults alike. It's great for taking your crafts to new heights of color and light. It is a wonderful gift for creative people. Get in touch with your spooky side this Halloween with this UV glow paint. It's a wonderful gift for any creative boys and ghouls. The colors are very sensitive to temperature. If the environment is too warm, the paint becomes thin. If it gets frost, it might become clumpy. Please do not worry, this does not affect the use. What we like. This paint set truly shines, literally. It glows in the dark and under UV light, making it perfect for creating eye-catching designs. If you're looking to add an extra layer of excitement to your patriotic celebrations, or maybe you're planning a spooky Halloween look, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant and the paint goes on smoothly. The paint is easy to apply and washes off easily. The face paint is perfect for any patriotic event. Number 4. Mysense Red, White and Blue Face Paint. This face paint is perfect for showing your patriotism. It's great for the 4th of July and other patriotic holidays. The pointed tip bottle allows for precise application. This makes it easy to create intricate designs for any body painting makeup. The cream body paint glides on smoothly and adheres flawlessly. It delivers vibrant and bold colors with each stroke, ensuring a great look. It's easy to remove with just water and soap. The paint is non-toxic, cruelty-free, and hypoallergenic, making it safe for everyone. This face and body paint is buildable and blendable. You can layer colors and create unique shades, perfect for many occasions. What we like. This face paint offers a smooth, creamy texture and precise application, perfect for detailed designs. It's also easily washable, making cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a user-friendly option that delivers vibrant, long-lasting color, this is the ideal choice. What people say. The colors were vibrant and showed up well. The face paint went on smoothly and was easy to apply. It washed off easily with soap and water. Number 3. Moon Glow Neon UV Paint Stick, Intense Blue. Want to create fun designs or intricate art? These crayons are perfect for both kids and adults. They are easy to use and will make you stand out. In normal light, the colors are bright neon. Under UV or blacklight, they produce an incredible glow. It's a great way to add some excitement to your look. Whether it's Halloween, a festival, or a rave, these crayons are ideal. You can create a healthy UV glow for any occasion. Get ready to shine. No nasty ingredients are used in these face painting crayons. This makes them super easy to remove. Simply wipe it off your skin with a regular makeup removal wipe. Moon Glow products are proudly made in the UK. They are dermatologically tested and cosmetically certified. The products also conform to EU standards and are not tested on animals. What we like. This crayon is designed to make a statement with its bright neon colors that glow under UV light. It's easy to apply and remove, making it perfect for festivals and parties. If you like to stand out in a crowd and want a hassle-free application, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The colors are vibrant and long-lasting. It is easy to apply and remove. The face paint is perfect for any patriotic event. Number 2. Dress Up America Face Paint Kit, 6-piece set. This face paint kit is perfect for kids and adults alike. It's a great way to express yourself and have some fun. The crayons make it easy to apply the paint smoothly. It's designed for both face and body, so you can create any look you desire. The paints are safe for use on the skin. You can rest assured knowing that it's designed with safety in mind, making it suitable for everyone. Get ready for Halloween with this amazing kit. It's the ideal choice for creating spooky or fun makeup looks. With 6 vibrant colors, the possibilities are endless. Let your imagination run wild and create unique designs. What we like. This face paint kit is designed for both kids and adults, making it a great choice for family fun. If you're looking for a simple and easy way to get creative with face painting, this is a great option. What people say. Works good. Nice rich color but not too opaque, comes off with alcohol wipes. I dressed up as Billy the Puppet from Saw for my horror birthday costume party. I used the red and white crayons for my cheeks, and I used the black for my chin lines and a little bit where my lips meet on top of red lipstick for an older plastic look. The red wasn't as dark as I would have liked it, but it went on very easily and was dark enough to see on fair skin. It did the job, and I wouldn't opt for a more expensive version if I were to buy more. Been using these kinds of face crayons since I was a kid, needed a lot of black and white for Halloween, and it stayed on with minimal smudging. Once they got dull it was a little harder to get the details, but I'm sure would have been fine if I sharpened them. Number 1. TAG Royal Blue Face and Body Paint 32 gm. Introducing TAG Royal Blue Face and Body Paint. This product is perfect for creating stunning designs on the face and body. It's a great choice for any occasion. Each 32-gram container provides a generous amount of paint. You can get anywhere from 50 to 200 applications. This ensures that you have plenty for multiple uses. The paint is incredibly easy to blend, allowing for smooth transitions and gradients. It goes on soft and won't crack or peel. This makes it comfortable to wear for extended periods. This face paint is ideal for detailed line work. It allows for precision and control, making it easy to create intricate designs. The paint's consistency is perfect for achieving sharp lines. TAG Face Paint is hypoallergenic and made with non-toxic, skin-safe ingredients. It is designed to be gentle on the skin. You can be confident in its safety for all users. What we like. This face paint is easy to blend and gentle on the skin, making it a comfortable choice for all-day wear. It's also great for creating detailed line work. If you're looking for a professional quality paint that's safe and easy to use, this is the one for you. What people say. The colors were vibrant and showed up well. The paint went on smoothly and was easy to wash off. It was easy to apply and remove. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.